Another method of using the elimination method. Okay, equation 1, equation 2. So as you know, or as we learned from the previous example, we multiply equation 1 by the leading coefficient of x in equation 2. So multiply by 7, then we multiply equation 2 by the leading coefficient of equation 1, which is 3. Good. Alright, so let's multiply through. 7 times 3x will give us 21x. Remember, you multiply every term in that equation, okay, by 7. So 7 times 2y will give us 14y. Then 7 times 7 will give us 49. Alright, you can also have this as equation 3. Alright, so we go to the next equation, 2 to be multiplied by 3. So 3 times 7x gives us 21x. Then 3 times minus 3y, which will give us minus 9y, equal 3 times 1, which will give us 3. So equation 4. So now we can see that the leading coefficients are now the same, 21x, 21x. So as usual, you minus or you subtract equation 4 from 3. So 21x minus 21x, you have nothing left. Then 14y minus minus we change to plus, so that means we have 14y plus 9y, and that gives us 23y. Okay, so 49 minus 3 will now give us 46. Good. So the next is to divide both sides of the equation by 23. On the left hand side, 23 cancel 23 out, so we are left with y. Then on the right hand side, 23 goes in here 1, 23 goes in 46, 2. So y is equal to 2. Good. So now we go ahead to substitute 2 for y in equation 1. So we now have 3x plus 2y, which is now 2, equals 7. Alright, you can do any of the substitution either in equation 2 or equation 3 or 4, but it's best to take equation 1. Alright, so we now have 3x plus 2 times 2, which gives us 4, equals 7. So we'll subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. These cancel, plus 4 minus 4 will give us 0. Alright, so on the left hand side now we have 3x equals 7 minus 4, which is 3. So we go ahead to divide both sides of the equation by 3. Okay, so 3 cancel 3 out. Then on the right hand side, 3 also cancel 3 out. So we have x equal to 1. Alright, so x is equal to 1, while y is equal to 2. So you can do a quick check on your own to know if the answer is correct. That is, to find out if the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Good.